Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the TUNENGE S11-T Rechargeable Keychain flashlight. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So once you get the box open, you'll see this is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable that it comes with. It does have the keychain kind of lanyard here that you'll have to try to figure out how that would just go through here. That can't be right, can it? I'm not sure what that little hole's for, if not for, it's supposed to be connected already. Now this is magnetic, as you can kind of tell, so that's kind of a nice feature. You can slap this on kind of a lot of different items, hold it for 3 seconds, and that'll get it on. Oh, actually, holding it for 3 seconds will change the lighting. So there was a little green light when you first turned it on. I don't know if that'll stay on. Either way, this thing's really compact, as you can tell, very light. Looks pretty good. I'm still kind of weirded by this. I'm not sure what that's there for. I don't know that there's a different piece that's supposed to be in there. You got the instructions here. Looks like a pretty cool device, but I'm just totally confused by the lack of definition on the lanyard. Anyway, so as you can see, we'll highlight it here, your power on, power off button. I was confused by the 3 seconds. What you're going to do is just hold it down to switch modes. That'll go with high, moon, low, and medium. So we have low, or moon, low, medium. Well, I'm not sure. There's the moon. Very super light. So this thing's great. I'm going to show it to you in the dark, just so you get a feel for it. Before I do that, I should probably show you the charging method. It's going to be this little piece right here, getting it all charged up. So we'll plug it in. You'll see a little bit of a red kind of pulsing here. I don't know if you'll be able to pick that up, but it's pulsing red a little bit. So we'll get it fully charged, then we'll show it to you, lighting stuff up. So you probably can't see it, but it is magneted, if that's a word. And that's a really nice capability. But I want to show you how bright this thing is. Just kind of showing you on my house, side of the house, you can kind of tell it's pretty dark, but this little thing does a really great job of lighting things up. You can kind of see the way it'll light up an area. That's pretty impressive coming out of literally just this little guy. So to me, this thing is super powerful. Great, great to keep in a backpack if you're doing any kind of traveling or anything like that. Keep it in the car, keep it on your key ring. It's pretty awesome. So a lot of great features, a good battery, fast charging. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. It does get a little warm actually now that I'm working with this here. At the top, just be aware that the top area is going to get a little warm right in here. But other than that, it's pretty great. So you can kind of see a little spider web and everything. Anyway, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.